Turning your ideas into a video has now been made very easy with Canva, and you can do this with your Canva free account or your Canva Pro account. But today we are doing this demo with our Canva free account. First, let's pick our document type we want to work with. I'll be going for the video, and I'll be using the video landscape because I intend to post this video on YouTube. Now that the video editor is open, I'm going to come over here to this drop down. I'll be selecting a document. I will come over to the document and click this plus sign. And I will click on Magic Write. And I will say what my idea is that I wanted to write. So I said, write me a story about this. This was the idea I had. So I went further to say, please include image prompts that describes each scene in the story. Clicked on Generate. So it's done generating the story. You go through the story. If you like what you're saying, you can click on Insert. If you don't like what you're saying, you can ask it to do more like this. Highlight the part you want it to write. But I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to insert it into this doc. So this is our story. And in each part, you can see the image prompts that we can use for this story. So now that this part is done, I'm going to start selecting the image prompts, and we'll come over to Magic Media. If you don't find it here, you should go over to your apps and scroll down where it says more from Canva. You're going to see the Magic Media. So we're going to open that up. So here you see image, graphics, and video. So we're going to be focusing on the image. It says describe what you like to create. This is where you choose the aspect ratio, and this is where you choose the style of what you want to create. I'm going to choose a landscape aspect ratio, and I'm going to click on style to find the style I want. So for this story, I'm going for like a more anime style. So I'm going to click on anime. And I'm going to paste in my prompt, which is all copied from here. And we'll click on generate images. So these are the images that was generated. I like this one. I'm going to click on these three dots to generate more like it so that I can have more options to work with. It's going to generate 3 more and still leave the original one we chose. Now I'm going to click on them and it will upload it to my design here. Anyone you click on is going to upload to your design. I'm going to download all 4 by just clicking on them and uploading them to my design like so. I'll be deleting them after they've uploaded. I'm going to do this for all of our prompts. These are all beautiful. Okay, now that we've used our prompts to finish generating our story, it's time to clean out the prompts that will not be part of the story. So I'll be taking them out. So now we have our story. I'm going to select the story. We want to turn our story into audio. And now that we've copied it, I'm going to delete this page that is a document page. So we no longer need it. And we are left with our video page, which is the page one we started with. So now we're going to go over to our apps and scroll down where it says more from Canva. We're going to click on AI voice, and we're going to paste the story we created with Magic Write. And we're going to come here. The voices that is on default is the English United States, and I'm going to click this drop down, and you will see a lot of languages you can choose from. But we'll go with the English United Kingdom. The voices with the crown are Pro, but since this demo is with a free Canva account, we're going to select Henry here. When you click on it, it's going to preview your script so you see what it sounds like. So I'm going to click on Generate AI Voice. You see it says AI voice added to my timeline. You can see the AI voice has been added and this has been extended. If you also go to your Uploads tab, come to audio here, you would see the audio you generated, which you can click on these 3 dots and download it. You can listen to the story to see, but this wavelength here is going to guide you on how to place your images. I'm going to place my cursor here and click S on my keyboard to split the page. I would go back to our uploads. Remember, we uploaded our images we generated. I'm going to come here, and these are all the images we generated to tell this story. So I'm going to start pulling them into the timeline. Let me take this, it's entered into a different timeline. So you can spread your image like so, depending on how you want it to look. I'm going to still use the audio wavelength to see where I want to split this page. I'm going to split this page by clicking S on my keyboard, and I'll come back to my upload. I'll go back to this page where I want to, and I'll pull it in like so. This is easier and faster. You can preview so that you can hear what is being said in your audio. I'm going to tap on this page here. I'm pulling my. Let's see what we've done so far. Let's take this playhead here.
Miko the mouse lay in his cozy bed, staring at the ceiling. The moonlight streamed through the window, casting gentle shadows across his room. No matter how much he tossed and turned, sleep eluded him.
So you see, our story is taking shape. You can click on any of the pages once you're done arranging your images, and you come over to here where it says animate. So you're going to select whichever animation that works for us, but I would advise you to go to page animation. So I would like to use the photo flow. Another thing I want to do is to click on color here and change the color to black of my page, and I'll apply it to all pages. So the color behind it is black. Now let's preview again.
The ceiling. The moonlight streamed through the window.
This is how easy it is to create your animated video. If you still want to add transitions in between the pages, you can just hover in between two pages and click on where it says add transition and select what kind of transition you want to use in your video. So you can apply it between all pages. Once you're done with that and you're happy with how your video looks, you can click on share here and click on download to export your video. When you click on here, it's on MP4 video. You can start downloading your video. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.